414 in the building, man.
414. Live with Lou, we tapped in. We got Mr. Visual behind the camera.
Yeah. Tap in.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all know go turn the fuck up. We go.
I'ma shoot a nigga big. You gon' make me show my niggas doing big.
Hey.
Boy, I do not play with kids. I got big chop with the prosthetic legs.
We in this bitch. Where's the scooter go? Shout out to Mon, you know I love Mon, little bro Sean out in Alaska, little bro Mikey out in Texas, little sis Diane out in Texas, little sis Michelle out in Texas, mama Sean, you love you know what I'm saying, we here. Just fly all day.
Went to Miami with
Mr. Visual and shot it.
Went to Miami.
Tell him, hey, you move, man, tell him, add your Insta, man.
Only gonna tell y'all.
Coming, football videos coming, flipping videos. I'm gonna be flipping on houses, tow trucks, garages, moving cars. I'm gonna be doing everything. I'm gonna be doing this. And then we're gonna go hoop, then we go to the lake, then we're gonna go skate. Go extra bitches when they smile and shit.
Fuck your nigga, bitch. I'll put a bag on these. 5-figure niggas still grind like a ashy. I got 10 all 50s, pockets buff like a ashy. Figure fuck Uncle Sam, baby. I'ma put the tax on. No, I don't do the club. Bad bitches, they harass me. You know, showing these Versace's, baby. I'ma sell bags. You don't suck dick, then baby. We ain't fucking, ain't your last hit. Math just to hit the hallway and sell my gas.
Get some jalapeno peppers. Pepper. Give me a couple more jalapenos, dude.
Steak, please. Can you warm up the meat first in the microwave, please? Steak.
Oh, steak?
Yes, sir.
You don't want to go pick up?
No, I want it in the microwave and then I want to toast it. That meat a little more warmer. Inside be cold, froze, buddy. Come on, buddy. You gotta give me frozen, son. Lettuce,
Some buffalo sauce, man.
pickles, tomatoes, onion. Boy, I'm finna fade this up. What you mean?
That motherfucking nasty.
Onion.
Damn.
Y'all got spicy mustard?
No spicy mustard.
Y'all ain't got shit. Damn. Get these bum ass niggas off the court. Get the camera on dude, weak ass. He weak as a bitch.
Hey, on the T, he almost failed. He almost failed badly.
He weak.
I would have just embarrassed him.
You see?
He play on this line. Them St. Cloud lines.
I'm on my new ugly. On YouTube channel. You want the shot to be wet, you gotta stretch the shoulder.
I'm doing donuts in my neighborhood, it made me feel good. I swear I would never do that shit again, but still do it. I feel better with no IG, but I'm too big of influence to live your life. Don't try to make someone else happy, that shit might ruin you. I make money off all type of shit. I got stocks for me and my shirt. How to put a wide body on a lamb truck, it look sexy, call it Miss Years. Fucked up playing around, now I'm serious. I got 200 bands in each ear. I was damn near the man before I started rapping. These other niggas just check. I can take the top off while the car going, call it getting ash, then traffic. I didn't reach another bracket, 8 figure taxes. I can't touch a bitch and she at it. Any location, tell me get at it. All this shit come and go, it don't matter. These boys sub-twin when you ain't at them. We don't even social beef, we get at them. Everybody killing out to something happen. I feel uncomfortable without a ratchet. I might shoot my shot at what you call it. I'm forever ballin'. I might eat a pussy good and never call her. I've been running from her. I heard you a stalker. Well, it's not the same, little nigga. I've been drugged through the mud. Had a girl for the plug. I put numbers on the board. This is not for no awards. I get money, that's enough. If I get them, that's a plus. Handle business is a must. Get her feelings when you trust. Came from prison, they had none. Run it up a couple months. But now Patty came from thug. Well, you know this real love. I ain't never changing up. Yeah, if I like you, you like it. I'ma change your whole life like it's nothing. Girl, I know not to stop when you come in. I be busy, I'm not in my comments. I be playing with that fire like I'm John Wick. Don't be walking up on me. I be ballin' the 2040, I promise I'm not for the moment. I be killing that shit when I get there and wake up and kill it again in the morning. I be chillin', but trust me, I handle the business when it's time to get it, I zone it. On the same way if I'm with shitty niggas who be killing all the time. I be laughing a lot, but don't get it. I ain't never was on shit. I give you bitch for what? I call bitch for what? This perk like get this nut. My mama said she pray for me, she know that I'ma drop some phones out, cameras on, that shit ain't gon' stop me. Green light
me for my numbers, bitches curse. I bought a bracelet for my bitch, she bought me some McQueen. So how y'all gon' brag about some shit that we can do with ease? Pull these polos down, suck it, girl, don't be a tease. I got before and later on, want a nasty, keep me clean. I've been zooted up, I just popped the hat, can't you tell? Said I do too much, everything I do it well. From the opposites, it's been a lot, get them niggas shells, them niggas hoes, they ain't finished, so really get off the field. He a gangster on that, but he a bitch, so I'm confused. If them niggas play with you, you ain't got your stick, what you gon' do? Everything I ever learned from the streets ain't go to school. Watch your back, I got your front. Crew fights, no one-on-ones. Keep my gun, I ain't no flirt. He plays down, packy in my run. Come slide, let's make it fun. Pussy good as on my tongue. Bubble gum. I just blew a couple dollars and some chunk change. I ain't got no love for no bitch, I read the dope day. Pull up on the out blocks, we treat it like a gun race. I make a nigga talk to God about it like it's Sunday. My mama said she pray for me, she know that I'ma drop some. Phones out, cameras on, that shit ain't gon' stop none. Green light, all we know is go, ain't no stop button. Heard you was a shooter for your block, nigga, stop front. Heard you getting money on your side, nigga, stop front. Y'all ain't even killing, y'all just dying, nigga, stop front.
Bro, you going nuts, bro.
If you turn your back on your man, then you been fake. Brody on the road like the smash, he got 10 plates. Your flow going down, I think these niggas need an upgrade. Bad Latina, look like Ariana Grande. Pull up in a limo like I'm trying to find a prom date. All my niggas winning, we can show you what the grind like. Take the time out, getting mode, get your mind right. Just grind all night, pretty soon it's gonna be long flights.
My pops told me, son, be patient, watch that limelight. Just keep your mind right, collect your marble, keep your mind tight. Yeah, he said you late if you on time, so get your time right. They told me life a gamble, I can make it off a 9, right? Well, if I came back to the kitchen, get our lines right. The gangster made it back off one whip, had to hit mine twice. Shit, I ain't tripping, Nikki said it's still a 9, right? I did my dance, move up the earths, and shift her spine right.
Yeah, in the street you know it's no merch. My own dog switched on me, shit, but the phone's working. Little bad bitch, eat the dick like she soul searching. I be researching, get to the bag like I ain't need nothing. Disrespect the game, you gon' see Lil D dumping, then C dumping. After him, you gon' see me dumping. 762 with shell catchers, we ain't leave nothing. Niggas come cool in the whip like a speed dump.
Don't think these phones really bamming, they come to see something. Me in the whip dumping, a quarter two and I made 6 something. TT called only 20 and 6.
Hey, I see this shit, I better see my highlights in it.
Hey, that's Cap right there. We got these niggas off the court.
Come on, you know, come get my cardio in.
We live with Lou. Everybody live with Lou, man. We live with Lou in this bitch.
If you hacking, hey, I call one foul all day. This little bro there to knock me to the brick wall. Other than that, I ain't calling no fouls. Other than that shit.
On 2B, nigga. So low key, don't you got pain cases, different county chases, showing pictures, recognize they faces. Sure, you won't make statement from Milwaukee, you won't probably make it. You ain't got the patience, give us seppies or take out the laces. You the shooter, say it, posting articles about homicides, talking about they hate me, so it pay me, but that glizzy say me. Honestly, they crave. When that happened, I was in some pussy, can't be in 2 places. Don't discuss me, it was bad enough. I got interrogated, investigated. I ain't do this shit like fuck y'all trying to make me. You got shot, you know who did the shooting? Did you go and shoot them? 30 cars, we tried to chase y'all down again. Y'all about to lose me, I wear Gucci.
Lit. I need to get lit. Then that shit gonna be even 10 times funnier before we go to the shit, get that bitch the best dick. Oh, yeah. I got that tag. This bitch is spit like a Smith & Wesson. Ooh. Chopper hit his hand, now that nigga blessing. Chopper hit his head, let that nigga tap dancing. Ooh. Chopper hit his head, knock that shit off. Nah, they just died.
Hey, you remember me? Eli, this little bro, Cuddy.
I should have said little bro Eli.
We done it, guys. Oh my mama, where you get that from, bro?
Yeah, zoom in on those.
Where you get that from?
Smoking on the flu. Bad bitch on the. Oh.
It's cold and he told, and I know you really love him right or wrong, but but he wrong. I'm trying to tell him through this song. I was gone. I was thinking how we used to be in mo. Foreign shit, foreign bitch got her answering the phones. When we do the shit we do, we end up where we belong. Lord knows.
He's gonna do it in play. I'll do him in play.
Let's see what he finna do. What you gonna do? Come on, man, go crazy. Yeah. Hey! Oh, shit! Going crazy.
In the dookies. Hey, he did that shit in the dookies.
And I crisp up the dukes. This is what I do. Rolling up in there. I crisp up the dukes. I did. Okay. How you doing, my boy? I'm trying to see everybody doing good. You know what I'm saying?
With the 30, that's some Jan Scotty, nigga. Yeah, man, nigga. And I'm back, nigga. And nigga, all you niggas hoes choosing, nigga. Fuck them hoes, nigga. Free the real, nigga. Free my boys, nigga. You don't know what the fuck going on, nigga. Out of sight, out of mind.